The use of charcoal for cooking is not healthy to both your body and your environment. We know that your cooking gas has been a hassle because you've been having to clean soot off your pots. Well, it's over now. We bring you a hassle-free and clean method of cooking using LP gas. Our packages consist of a cooker top, 3 kg cylinder with gas and a lighter at 1020 kwacha, or with 6 kg cylinder with gas at 1380 kwacha, or a 2-plate package. It comes with 2 plates, self-igniting stove, connection components, and 3 kg cylinder with gas at 1750 kwacha, or with 6 kg cylinder with gas at 2280 kwacha. For more information, get in touch with us via the details on the screen. Be smart, think LP gas.